Grafoplast Identification Systems. Thanks to Grafoplast's ability to innovate, the Labellux and Label Foss consumables series with high visibility printability with the Si2K Evo have been developed. The tags for cables, terminal blocks and equipment, while maintaining all the current technical characteristics, are enriched by the lux factor, which increases their visibility if lit by a source of UV light. While for the external panel, the use of phosphorescent material allows the tags to acquire light, reflecting it when needed in the dark. The Si2K Evo printer, developed by Grafoplast with thermal transfer technology, meets all the identification requirements. From cables to terminal blocks to push buttons and nameplates, and with the consumables of the new UV technology series. Thanks to the easy use of the Simplo X software, it is possible to create and import alphanumeric series and images in just a few seconds. The Si2K Evo printer, equipped with automatic feeder, can print more than 1,000 cable or terminal block tags on its own, or work in manual mode to ensure maximum flexibility, not forgetting the identification of the push buttons and nameplates, right up to the strips for the external panel. A complete range of consumables covers every identification request. Grafoplast, beyond the dark.